Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut on mobile. And in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted project file in CapCut mobile. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up my CapCut right here. Then after open up CapCut, make sure you have already logged into your CapCut with your account, whether with Google or Facebook account. So next thing you want to do to recover deleted project file, first thing first, go ahead and click on project right here. Once you click on project, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you swipe this way. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on trash bin right here. So when you click on trash, you're going to see, so under the trash right here, you are going to see item moved to trash will appear here and will be deleted after 7 days. What this simply means is that if you mistakenly delete a project file before you can recover it back or restore it back to your editing panel, it must not be more than 7 days. Anything after 7 days, the trash is going to be completely wiped off. So as a result of that, for you to recover any project file deleted less than 7 days, go ahead and click on these 3 dots right here. So once you click on that, you have a restore options. Go ahead and click on restore. So once you click on restore, you can see restore back. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my edit tab right here. So in getting to my edit tab, you can see the project has been successfully restored back. I can start working on the project file again. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use CapCut on mobile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.